Welcome! I'm so excited for you and your student to be a part of our class family this year. I'm going to give you a few quick pieces of information that you'll need to know as you get started in our classroom. I'm Mrs. Bai, and this is my 8th year in Olathe and 2nd year teaching 3rd grade at Heritage Elementary. I'm a lover of books, a huge Royals fanatic, and a constant Starbucks coffee drinker. But most importantly, I'm mom to my 4-year-old Ella and wife to my husband Steve. This year in 3rd grade, we have a jam-packed schedule. When the bell rings at 8 a.m., students can enter the building. But at 8:20, when the bell rings for students to be in the classroom, we are going to be diving right into our math curriculum. Students are going to get an opportunity to learn about all sorts of things, including multiplication, area, division, perimeter, and much more. So it's important that every student is in their seat at 8:20 so we can get started right away. Math isn't the only exciting thing that we're going to be learning, though. We'll have opportunities with a new writing program that's going to help not only our students become wonderful writers, but better readers as well. And then we have plenty of fun opportunities in things like science and social studies, where we will get to learn about the history of Olathe, magnets, and much, much more. Because of all the wonderful things that we learn and do in 3rd grade, it is extremely important that students are at school as often as possible. We don't want them to miss out on the projects, on the experiments, and all the fun that we have. In 3rd grade, homework might look a little bit different. 3rd grade teachers will not be assigning nightly homework. Instead, we ask that you spend that time working with your student on what they need the most support in. That might include things like reading. It might include practicing their spelling words, or even math facts, from addition and subtraction to the multiplication math facts that they'll be learning this year as well. Another opportunity that they might have is the chance to correct work and to earn back points on projects, assignments, and tests that they might have been given. Each day we ask that students bring a snack if they choose and feel that it's something that they need. The two things that we ask are that the snack be healthy and something that will fuel their body and their brain to keep working hard, and that you avoid peanuts and tree nuts so that we can help students with allergies in our grade level. One unique feature of our classroom is our house cup system. The students will be divided into 4 houses, and they'll be competing against one another in the houses to earn the house championship at the end of the year. Each quarter, they'll be able to earn a small prize as well and get a chance to work with their classmates to not only grow as a team, but grow as a class. Last year, the students loved the opportunity to compete in this fun little challenge. I am so excited for you and your student to be a part of our classroom this year, and I know it's going to be the best year ever.